Two old friends meet again, wearing all their faces, and talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they'll meet again and have a need for more than reminiscence. Maybe this time, maybe love they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's about endless love, and it feels so right this time. Love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again.